Just because this equipment is large doesn't mean it's all easy to work on. That's why I love this Fantic screwdriver to get into the hard to reach places. This kit fits nicely in a drawer. This case is sturdy metal. There's a screwdriver assembly. Here's the bits. Hex, torque, Phillips, and standard. This thing has 3 torque settings. I can't believe how powerful this is. It's got a little work light on the end for when the trigger is depressed. I've been using tools a long time, and I can't believe the torque that this little screwdriver has. Once again, I'm going to brag about the torque of this thing. You wouldn't get in there with an impact driver. You gotta admit, this kit is awesome. You got your bits, the driver itself, which is rechargeable. Put on the cap, and you're done. Pick it up on TikTok while it's the deal of the day.